The performance of the product is closely related to the technical characteristics of the antenna under ideal conditions of installation and use. Maximum applied power of 250 watts, impedance 50 ohms, stainless steel. The distance of communication is another decisive factor in the acquisition and use of a CB antenna. Thus, the communication distance of 10 kilometers is achieved in ideal working conditions, calibrated antenna, open field without obstacles, station with legal maximum power of 4 watts and standard reception. Any obstacles such as hills, mountains, buildings and walls can reduce the distance. The length of the antenna is another important factor that can influence the communication distance in traffic. The longer the antenna is, the longer the range. The antenna in this kit has a length of 76 centimeters. The PNI S75 antenna includes all the accessories needed for mounting on the car: 4-meter RG58 cable, PL259 socket and fixed mount, but you still need a support such as SPS for luggage or PNI L1 for metallic truck support. This antenna can be tilted with the butterfly screw, with which is provided to enter passages, garages or parking spaces with low height. In addition to these situations, a tilt of more than 30 degrees is not recommended as it may affect the performance of the antenna.